When managing iOS developer freelancers, remember that behind every business decision is a human being. Freelancers offer flexibility and expertise without the overhead costs of full-time employees. They can work remotely, allowing access to a broader talent pool and saving on office expenses. Plus, freelancers can provide services during off hours, keeping your business active around the clock. Managing freelancers differs from in-house employees as they are hired for specific tasks within a project. In contrast, employees have a broader, evolving role. Freelancers are independent, requiring less supervision, and their contracts end with the project. In contrast, employees are a long-term commitment, often requiring significant training and supervision. To manage freelancers effectively, build relationships, clearly define project details, provide proper documentation, set budget and expectations, streamline communication, consider time tracking, use project management tools, incorporate freelancers into team-building activities, and provide regular feedback. These strategies foster a professional and productive working environment. In the dynamic tech landscape, our custom development and consultancy services can help you stay ahead. We offer software development, IT augmentation, software outsourcing, dedicated teams, web design, QA and testing, SEO and content marketing, and more. Partner with us to transform your vision into reality. As a freelance iOS developer, you'll need to build a strong portfolio and master both Objective-C and Swift. Demand for iOS app development is high, with over 1 billion iPhone and iPad users worldwide. Alongside technical skills, soft skills like communication and empathy are crucial. Start by learning the languages and tools essential for iOS development, and showcase your abilities through a compelling portfolio.